Blake with SwissWatchExpo again, and I've been telling you, and I'm going to keep telling you, if Mother's Day is coming soon, you need to be looking at Cartier watches. We have a ton, but say perhaps your mother, or that soon-to-be mother in your life isn't looking for something dressy. She doesn't dress that way. She wants something sporty and casual, but still looks like it's got a touch of bling or a touch of flair. Then you should be looking at a ladies' Cartier Roadster. They don't make these anymore, so that means these are going to be in the best condition you can find online. They both look beautiful with a really fun looking case shape. We've got the detachable straps that the Roadster is known for, as you can see here. And of course, we've got a full set of Cartier diamond bezels on this stainless steel case. So you can still get that touch of elegance and class and glamour while you've still got a really fun sporty watch that can be almost endlessly customized as far as the strap is concerned. We've got them. They're in the best condition you're going to find online, and she's going to love them at SwissWatchExpo.com.